This video is to provide tips for using the Project Home within Project Insight. To navigate to the Project Home, you'll go to your My Insight dropdown, to the Projects dropdown here. Once on the Project Home, you may notice that after a while of using Project Insight, or after being assigned many projects, that the list of projects is growing very long. Now that could be caused by a couple different things that we're going to look at in this video. First thing to check is this checkbox right here, include inactive projects. Now if you have a project lifecycle where once a project is finished, then it is updated to a status that is completed, such as in the project status add-on, when a project is completed, then that means the project is no longer active and no longer shows up on your lists. Then you may want to uncheck this box, and you'll notice that here the scroll bar has now gotten a lot bigger, and now you're seeing fewer projects on this list because we've now filtered out those projects that are no longer active. The next thing to check is this box right here. This drop down, if you are a PMO manager in your profile, then you'll have this option to see all projects in Project Insight, whether they're assigned to you on the project manager level or not. The way to check if you have that enabled in your profile is if you have this PMO manager checked in your system roles. If you don't have that checkbox in your profile enabled, then you won't see this. If you do want to see all projects, then you can have that enabled, but if you want to see maybe projects that you're only assigned to or the project manager on, now you'll see that the scroll bar is even a little shorter, and now I'm looking at a more refined view of projects that I'm just a project manager on and that are active. For more information about the sorting, adding projects, managing templates, or how the Project Home works, please refer to our further documentation and videos about those features.